From the comforting aroma of pumpkin spice to delicious dishes with pomegranate and apple, fall's charm has so much to do with a symphony of seasonal ingredients. And whether you're entertaining family and friends or creating a dish for a school potluck, the Harvest Bounty invites us to get together, connect, and create a fall feast worth remembering. Thankfully, we have Tara Teaspoon, cookbook author and the former editor of Martha Stewart Living, to share some of her favorite harvest season recipes. Welcome, Tara.
Thank you. Thanks for having me. Isn't this a great time to be cooking delicious food?
Yes, it is one of the best times of the year. Now, Tara, you have quite the spread in front of you showcasing all of the colors and flavors of fall. Fill us in on your go-to recipes.
Okay, I've got a couple to start because I love entertaining during this time of year. And I make this Baba Ganoush with roasted vegetables and fresh California pomegranates on top. And they pop, they add a little bit of juicy acidity, and it's a great dip for just getting that chatting going with your friends. I also always do a go-to side dish or something make ahead that can be taken to a potluck or a fall picnic. And kale and butternut squash with brown rice and pomegranates is delicious. California pomegranates are in season right now, so just through October and January. So there's lots of opportunity to get them into your everyday recipes.
Pomegranates are a staple in my household. I love them on yogurt and a parfait, on salads. They're delicious. Now, you've worked for the Food Network, Martha Stewart Living, and Ladies Home Journal, so we're turning to you for pro tips on all things food and entertaining. What are some easy ways that we can elevate a fall family feast?
Oh, well, I love to have a main dish that's like a centerpiece on your holiday table. And so baked ham with pomegranate glaze is just that. With the pomegranate arrows on top and fresh herbs to garnish that platter, it's really simple, but it makes a show-stopping sort of centerpiece on the table. It's a fun way to elevate that meal. And of course, we all have to eat everyday meals, weeknights, Wednesdays. So I make steak and pomegranate tacos for that Taco Tuesday. And you just sprinkle all your favorite toppings and those juicy arrows on top, and it makes a really great, simple weeknight meal. Don't forget the sweets. I know it's not holidays quite yet, but I love sharing these pomegranate chocolate clusters. They have melted chocolate, granola, and pomegranates, and they're very simple to make. You put them in little muffin cups. And then I actually like gifting them as well. It's a great food gift.
And I love that you integrated the California pomegranates in every stage of the meal.
Well, they're so easy to use and so plentiful this time of year. And the arrows, there's about 400 arrows in every pomegranate. And once you get those arrows out, you can store them in the fridge for about a week. So there's lots of opportunities to add them to your recipes.
And for those who may be a little challenged on extracting those seeds, do you have a pro tip?
Yeah, so do it ahead. And I say scoring is the key to opening up a fresh pomegranate. And I just score it right there on the top and then gently break it open into sections. And it creates an easy way to get those arrows separated from the white pith. So it's not that hard. And then you can have all of that fresh fruit right in front of you.
And those fresh pomegranates are easier on a budget as well. Where can we go for more recipes and information?
So these recipes and more are on pomegranates.org and on my website, tarateaspoon.com.
Tara, we thank you so much for sharing such wonderful fall feast inspiration.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
And we thank you for joining us on San Diego Living. We'll see you next time.